So Trump floats a 50-year mortgage and every banker in a Patagonia vest is like, awesome, now they'll die before they finish paying us. Wait for it, because this next part is the scam hiding in plain sight. I'm gonna show you how this keeps you in debt, how it funds big banks, and what you can do about it. Here's where it gets good. Picture this, you buy a $500,000 house on a 30-year fixed rate mortgage. On paper, you bought a $500,000 house, but in reality, with interest, you paid over $1 million. Which means, if you sell in those first 5 years, you're basically renting your house from the bank. Stretch that out over 50 years, and you might save a few $100s a month. You end up paying for that house 3 times over, while your grandkids inherit the mortgage and the trauma. Here's the part that nobody talks about. The longer the mortgage term, the longer your paycheck is quietly being funneled up to big banks, and out of your pocket and out of your community. So sure, you can keep commuting to a job you hate, working for a CEO you'll never meet so he can afford a new helicopter, or you can opt out of that script completely. No, because I became the first millionaire in my family because I used this. Seller financing is when a home buyer pays a seller directly, no banks involved. You and the seller designing the terms, the interest rate, the down payment, however you like, so that it works for both of you. Instead of paying Wells Fargo, you can pay your neighbor down the street and fund their retirement instead of funding Wall Street. That's how you go from barely paying rent to owning an asset that will eventually replace your paycheck. If you're done being a line item on some bank profit report, write freedom in the comments and I'll share my free guide on how to buy directly from your neighbors and keep wealth local. Write freedom in the comments so that your next monthly payment goes to funding your dreams and not the bank's empire.